Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Virtual Videos. Today we're back again with another vlog. Today is Manchester City versus Wolves. It is Sunday today, it is match day. We're with Jamie, he's in the corner there. I'm going to go for a solid 3-1 win today. What are you going for?
I'm going to go 3-0 City.
Yes, I'm going to say 3-1. I reckon we'll go 2-0 up with a Morris goal and a Foden goal. I think he'll play today. Then they'll score and then we'll get a winner through like Gundogan or someone. But anyway, I'll see you guys at the Etihad. Man City versus Wolves. Come on City, let's get the 3 points. Close that gap back down to 5. Turn in again. Oh, that's poor. That is poor. 2.5 minutes in, and it's still 0-0. Wolves have just had an absolute sitter, which they've messed up completely. It was 1-on-1, and he's just spooned it over the crossbar. We got really, really lucky there. That was poor. Otamendi, watch out, speed it up. There we go. It's been a bit lacklustre so far. Cancelo in the box, unlucky. Corner, come on City! Goes short from the corner, Gundogan into Mahrez. Mahrez cuts in the box. Oh, tap for the ball, come on. Good ball there from Mahrez. Silva in the box. Oh, just headed over Mahrez and it's off road. Come on City! Mahrez on the edge of the box. I'm pretty sure he came from an offside position. So if we can get a corner for this would be ideal, because I think if we score it'll get disallowed. But anyway, Cancelo plays it out to Mahrez. Come on, 15 minutes on the clock. Mahrez in the box. Hit away too easily that. No foul. Oh, foul. There we go, well played, ref. Loses the ball. We win it back though in their box. Famous for penalty, not given. Gundogan intercepts. Come on, and we go again. Come on. Cancelo. Come on City! One in the box, dinked in, given away cheaply, and it's their keeper's ball. Cheaply given away, Jimenez is through. Obviously Otamendi doesn't win it. What a save, Edison! What a block! What a block, Fernandinho! Can't be letting them in that cheaply though. That is awful, awful. I don't know if that was wrong. I think it was Walker gave away the ball cheap. That's the second time they've gone for a goal like that. Otamendi dived in way too easily as well. Adama out right. Cancelo goes in. Adama takes it around him. Ball in the box. Header away. I'm pretty confident there was a pushing in there. But Mahrez puts it in. Doesn't beat the first man. Cancelo wins his header though. And we're back out with Walker. A chance there for them again. Another shocking pass plays in for a goal. They're claiming a penalty and it very well could be. But the players need to wake up because this is atrocious. We're not creating anything and we're giving them their chance. They're not even having to work for them. They're getting them for free. We need to pick this up, this is shocking. Rose, that's right. Not given, could have been a penalty. Anyway. VAR, is it? One, Dave Silva's got it after an awful Edison pass. He's giving it into Raheem Sterling. Ray! There we go. Rodgers did well with what he had, but keep going sideways. Cancelo shoots. Oh, just over. 33 minutes still none though. Out, Dave Silva. Oh, unlucky. Poor in front of the goal, but at least we're creating stuff now, which we weren't doing at the start of the game. Someone. Oh, he's trying to overdo it now. Well tackled Rodri. And a good ball into Sterling. Plays it out into Silva. In the box, cleared away. Corner, come on! Chance here for Catrone. Well blocked, Barter. Pick it up, pick it up! Headed away. He's playing the whistle in the box. Anyway, that concludes one of the worst halves of football I've seen us play under Pep Guardiola. That was atrocious. Second half has started. Let's go see. We need a better performance because that first half was not good enough. Gundogan. Mahrez. Cancelo put it in the box. Who's putting a name on that? You've got to just foul him. They're on the break. Rodri's legging it. Rodri's been given a yellow card and fouled him as well. Oh, just need a bit of urgency. Go on, City. There's no urgency to this at all. There we go, ball. What a dreadful ball in the box. This is just awful. Oh, and again, that's a slight chance. Oh, don't even tell me that's a free kick. Oh. Sterling, Adama's beat as the pace, got thrown. Come on, speed it up. From an awful free kick decision. Shocking decision from the referee then. If they score this, I'm genuinely going to be fuming. Well, referees, what a joke. Oh, come on. Come on, Silva. Zinchenko gives it out to Sterling. Come on, Sterling! Shoot. Oh, don't shoot. I'm never going to win that. Ref! He's literally pushing him! It's Dave Silva. Go on. Turns on it. Ref! Come on, Dave Silva. Make a good free kick. If it's Aguero, it's not going in. Dave Silva, probably not, but more chance. Going to take. Oh, I'm nervous now. We've only got 23 odd minutes left. Dave Silva. Oh, crossbar. Zinchenko. Crossbar in the box. Oh, and away. Crossbar, man. Unlucky, Dave. Come on, one more. Come on. In the box. Bernardo. Oh. Oh. Sterling. Oh. Roger did it. Oh. Rodri blocked it. So many chances. Keep it going. Come on. They now break. No foul. Well played. Thank God the ref didn't give that ball. Rodri's giving away the ball stupidly. Well played, Cancelo. Oh, Rodri, man. Damn it. I swear to God, Aguero was dreadful there. Got it back. Come on. Dave Silva, what are you doing? Come on! Throw in. Gabriel Jesus is warming up. Well, no, he's not warming up, he's coming on. Okay, he's coming on who's for?
Third and final substitution of the afternoon for City coming off, number 21, David Silva.
David Silva's off. Gabriel Jesus is off, boy. Cancelo, come on! Oh! How has that not ended up in the back of the net? How was that not end up in the back of the net? The two subs going forward have already done more than every player that started this game. Cancelo's just giving the ball away again, now they're on the break and they're probably going to score. Played across and that is... 1-0 to Wolves. That to me looks like it's league done. Cancelo has been atrocious. Everyone's been atrocious. Anyway, we're losing 1-0, 80 minutes. Come on, Sue. We can still score 2. It's unlikely with the performance we've had though. Bernardo in the box. Not going to win now, are we? Oh, what a save! No one got on it. What a save from Rodri. Go on and take him quickly. Gundogan. Oh my God. He's not even got it past a man that was 3 yards away. The fact him making it 90 minutes into this football match is impressive. Because he's probably been about a 4 out of 10 today. Cancelo, he's been atrocious. Shot deflected. Of course, now we start adding tempo. You know, when we're 1-0 down in the 82nd minute. 82 minutes. Got another corner. It's Cancelo. What's he going to do this time? He's going to put the ball in the box and we're going to lose it again like we always do. You think they'd have figured out about half an hour ago that maybe putting it in the box hasn't worked this game. Come on. Ball in the box. Straight out. You're putting it in the box every time. box, decent ball. That one was on the floor, which made a lot of a difference, to be fair. Got a throw in.
These fourth officials indicate there will be a minimum of 5 minutes.
Well, we know what happens. 2-1 down, 5 minutes to go.
5 minutes.
We've done this before. Come on. In the box again. What? I know that that's not going to work every time. How did they not know? Ball here. Corner. We're still putting balls in the box. Like, I genuinely can't be bothered. Chances, Sterling, out Zinchenko's going to put it in the box, and you'll never guess what's going to happen. It's not going to go in, because it never does. And it's not looked like it's going to happen since this game started, to be honest, so it's kind of interesting that they've still not popped that on. Come on, play it. Zinchenko, don't put it in the box. Just can't be bothered. Anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe if you enjoyed it. Bye. 2-0, full time.